In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend a clip in InVideo. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to make a video clip last longer on your timeline, without any guesswork. First, log into your InVideo account the way you normally would. Once you're in, head to your projects area. This is where all of your drafts and previous edits live, so it's the perfect starting point for finding the video you want to modify. Open the project you're working on, and it will load the editor with your canvas, preview, and editing panels. Inside the editor, focus on your layers and the timeline. The timeline runs along the bottom and shows your clips in sequence, while layers help you see what sits on top of what, such as video, text, and overlays. It's helpful to glance over the tracks so you know which layer contains the clip you plan to extend. Now select the video clip you want to extend. Click once on the clip in the timeline so it's highlighted. You should see clear boundaries on each end of the clip, which tells you it's selected and ready for adjustments. If you have multiple clips that look similar, check the thumbnail or the name to ensure you've got the right one. To extend the clip, move your cursor to the edge of that clip on the timeline. When you hover near the end, the cursor changes to indicate you can resize. Click and drag the edge of the clip to the right to make it longer. As you drag, you'll see the duration increase in real time. Let go when you're happy with the length. If you need a shorter duration instead, you can drag inward. A quick note on how this works behind the scenes. If it's a video file, you can only extend it up to the length of the original media. If you reach the end of what's available, the clip won't stretch any further. If it's a still image or a graphic, it can extend freely because it isn't limited by recorded frames. Watch the preview as you go so you can confirm the timing looks right and that any text or overlays still align with your new duration. That's all you need to extend a clip in InVideo. Log in, open your project, locate it on the timeline, select the clip, and drag the edge to the length you want. Keep an eye on overlapping elements in audio so everything stays in sync, and you'll get a smooth professional result.